Top of the morning to you lads, or afternoon actually. But today's video is going to be about, well, it's not about anything, but it's basically, these are the reasons why you need a dash cam, guys. Me and Turbo here have been always been cruising around and going places, and I actually recorded a video a while ago of a dash cam that I did, but I just never released it. But these two clips here are going to be the reasons why you need a dash cam. So Turbo and I are going to be talking to you about one of the clips, or two of the clips that we actually encountered. I had to delete the audio file because I do play music in my car, so I don't want to get copyright struck. But yeah, this first clip was legit today. I was coming home from work, and on our strip of road that leads to my house, yeah, this guy is coming at me. We're going opposite ways on traffic, and he decides to merge into my lane on oncoming traffic. And the road itself is narrow, so you guys might think, oh, he wasn't that close to you, but Mustangs are really wide, and the truck was a work utility truck. So yeah, just here's the clip, and you know, here's basically what happened. Now the second clip, guys, I feel so bad about, guys. Sometimes with the dash cam, you guys can capture something that can save somebody's life, that can save your life, that can, you know, insurance fraud, all that stuff. I mean, today, or this particular day, I caught something that was pretty bad. So I'm cruising down the street, coming home once again, and I will replay it in slow motion too, so you can see. I hit a bird, guys. I felt so bad. Yeah, my reaction's pretty funny too, because with the dash cam I have, it has a dual cam, so it's a front camera and a back camera, but I didn't install the back camera yet. So I look in the rearview mirror and I see the bird just go with like feathers everywhere, and I felt so bad because, I mean, birds are kind of cool, I guess. But yeah, here's that clip. I'm gonna rewind it for you guys so you guys can see it in slow motion of what it looked like. And yeah, it was pretty insane. So guys, I hope you guys like that little, these two little clips. If you guys want to see more clips like that, go ahead and put a thumbs up. Go ahead and, you know, subscribe if you like. And I'm gonna show you more benefits and, you know, of why you need a dash cam in a later video when I get more clips. So with that being said, guys, stay focused, guys. Be safe, and I'm out of here. Peace out.